Hello, this is Mr. Gold. I'm the art teacher at Franklin School, and I teach all grades from 1st to 8th. And every grade, we learn a variety of art disciplines, from drawing and painting techniques to different art theories such as elements and principles of design, as well as color theory. And we also learn art history. We learn about many famous artists as well as their famous artworks. In the lower grades, we do many different projects, and even if it's a seasonal or a holiday drawing or project, it's always theory based. So they're going to learn about spatial relation in the picture, they're going to learn about what kind of colors go well, and elements of design, etc. And in the upper grades, we tend to learn about the main categories of art, which are portrait, landscape, still life, abstract, etc. So we meet once a week in my Google Meets, and there's a schedule for it. And usually in a class, it consists of me I usually make a pre-made art video, and I usually present it on the screen. And if it's a drawing lesson, the students can draw on the spot along with the video during the meet. If they don't finish the project, I always post every video and every assignment on Google Classroom. So all their assignments are there. And sometimes it's not a drawing assignment. It could be a virtual tour of a museum, or writing about anything from an artist or some art theory. They usually get 2 weeks to hand in their assignments. So if you have any questions, if you want to reach me, you can always reach me at lgold@northbergen.k12.nj.us, or the main number at Franklin School, which is 201-974-7007. Now I'd like to show you some of the artwork that we've worked on virtually so far this year. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed those artworks. And even though we're having a different school year, we hope things get back to normal. And either way, this is going to be a great year, and we hope to talk to you soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye.